Hello and welcome to Mini MBA Hub, a central place for learning. From marketing to leadership, learn what matters for your career. Stay tuned and enjoy the journey. Today, we're going to explore a skill that quietly runs the world: project management. Now, don't worry if you've never studied business or management. Project management isn't just for big companies, it's for everyone. Think about it. Planning a wedding, organizing a school graduation, building a bridge, or even launching a YouTube channel. Those are all projects. And if they're not managed well, they can collapse in chaos. But when done right, projects save time, save money, and bring amazing results. Let's start simple. What exactly is a project? A project is a temporary effort with a clear start, a clear finish, and a specific goal. It's not the same as routine work. For example, customer service at a company is ongoing work. But designing a new customer service app is a project. Here are a few more. Wedding planning. It starts when you say yes, it ends on the big day. Building a house. Once the house is finished, the project is over. Launching a product. It's temporary, even if the product stays forever. Now here's the big question. Why do we even need project management? Imagine you want to build a house. If you just call workers and say, "Start building," what happens? You'll probably run out of money halfway, the rooms might not match your design, and the roof could collapse. Project management prevents this. It creates structure, planning, budgeting, assigning roles, and tracking progress. And history is full of lessons. The Sydney Opera House in Australia was supposed to cost $7 million. In the end, it cost $102 million and took 10 extra years. On the other hand, NASA's Apollo 11 moon landing succeeded because of extraordinary project management. Every project has three invisible ropes pulling on it: time, cost, and scope. Time, the schedule. When must it be done? Cost, the budget. How much money do we have? Scope, what exactly must be delivered? If you tighten one rope, the others stretch. Example. A client says, "I want this app in 3 months instead of 6. That means you'll need more money for extra staff, or you'll cut features. It's like cooking dinner. If you only have 10 minutes, you either spend more money on fast food, or you simplify the menu. That's the triple constraint in action. Some people think rules kill creativity. But here's the truth. Innovation actually works best when guided by standards. Take airplanes. You want engineers to innovate so planes fly farther and faster. But do you want them ignoring safety standards? Of course not. Or think about skyscrapers. The design can be bold and unique, but if builders don't follow safety codes, it becomes a disaster. The best project managers balance both, creative ideas within safe boundaries. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. That's why project managers must think like chess players, always looking a few moves ahead. What if the supplier is late? What if the budget gets cut? What if the client changes their mind halfway? Good project managers don't panic, they prepare. They create risk registers, contingency plans, and alternatives. A famous example: in 1997, a Toyota supplier's factory burned down. Production could have stopped for months. But because Toyota had risk plans and backup suppliers, they bounced back in days. Roles in project management. Now, let's talk about who's who in project management. The project manager, the captain of the ship. The team members, the crew doing the actual work. The stakeholders, anyone affected by the project. The sponsor, the person or group funding it. Example. Planning a wedding. The couple equals sponsors. The wedding planner equals project manager. Vendors equals team members. Guests equals stakeholders. See? Every project has people with different roles, and knowing who's who avoids drama. You might be wondering, how do project managers actually organize all this? Here are a few beginner-friendly tools. Trello, simple drag and drop boards. Asana, great for teams, with timelines and tracking. Gantt charts, visual timelines of tasks. MS Project or Jira, for advanced, complex projects. Even a notebook or Google Sheets can work if you're just starting. Tools don't manage projects, people do. But tools help keep everything visible and clear. Project management isn't just about plans and charts. It's about people. Great project managers develop soft skills: leadership, guiding without bossing; teamwork, making people feel valued; emotional intelligence, resolving conflict; problem solving, staying calm under pressure. Think of a project manager like a coach, a cheerleader, and sometimes even a therapist rolled into one. Let's bring it all together with a simple case study: planning a community pride parade. Initiation. Decide why it matters, celebrating diversity and inclusion. Planning. Secure permits, budget, volunteers, and vendors. Execution. Set up floats, stages, and decorations. Monitoring. Check weather updates, adjust schedules, solve issues. Closing. Celebrate the event, thank volunteers, and document lessons. It's fun, colorful, and meaningful, but without project management, it could easily fall apart. To wrap up, remember the 5 phases of any project. 1. Initiation, defining what and why. 2. Planning, mapping out how. 3. Execution, doing the work. 4. Monitoring and controlling, checking progress. 5. Closing, delivering and learning. Whether it's cooking a meal, launching a product, or sending people to the moon, it all follows this cycle. So here's the bottom line. Project management isn't just about charts and deadlines. It's about people, ideas, risks, and results. With good project management, bridges stand strong, apps launch on time, and even moon landings become possible. Without it, projects collapse in chaos. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's a project you've been part of, and how did it go? Drop your stories in the comments, and let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching and being part of the Mini MBA Hub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends or classmates. We've got more valuable content coming your way, covering leadership, management, business strategies, and operational insights to support your learning journey. Got a question or something to add? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to mention your name, location, and university. We might feature your response in the next video. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning with the Mini MBA Hub.